Ask Tom on Home Show.
Chelsea from Rock Hill, South Carolina, needs a little building advice.
She wants to build something almost exactly like this, Tom. As you can see, she's got a few notes on there, what she wants to do, but I think she's going for that bungalow kind of shotgun kind of house here.
Yeah.
She writes, the side of the home's roof line wraps around and transitions to a small 4-foot section of the roof line in the front of the home. Let me go back and show it to you here as I'm describing this. Via a hip roof on the right. All of the roof would be asphalt shingles, but I want the front to have a metal accent roof. Is it possible to transition at the roof hip to asphalt shingles to a metal roof? And also, if the two contractors are needed, should I go with the asphalt guy first or the metal guy first?
Okay, several things. One is that's called a French gable. Usually they go all the way across, where you have a little roof that goes across the bottom of a gable. So you didn't know that there was French, but it's French. Secondly, it's done all the time, especially in northern climates where the whole bottom 3 foot of a roof, where you have a lot of snow and ice, they put that on there so you don't get any ice dams. The snow slides off easily, so it's done it's quite common all over the place. Now, here's the most important part of the question. Can it be transitioned? Absolutely. Can it be transitioned in many different ways because of the look you want? Absolutely, and the type of metal roof you choose. But do you get 2 different contractors to put it on? Absolutely not. You get one roofer to do the whole complete job. He should be experienced in both roofing materials. He should be able to transition it properly. And that's the key to getting a good job. And let them make the detailed decisions because they know more about it than I do and they know more about it than you do. But once you get 2 contractors in and you have a problem, you'll never get it fixed. Nobody will own up to it. They'll just point fingers at each other.
We have seen it happen. It's based on experience. Yes. What about that, though, Tom, the idea of mixing them and all that? I know she showed a standing seam metal roof. There are other roofing options, too, for that metal roof.
You can mix all kinds of roofs. But that particular mix on that type of house, and I don't know how popular it is in South Carolina, maybe it is, but all in the Northeast, all up in the areas of, I remember Lake Placid, everybody up in the Lake Placid, upstate New York area, they all had metal roofs on the patios, the lower roofs where you could see it to give it a little bit more articulation, the lower sloped roofs so the snow would come off better. And they would do the bottom 3 feet all the way around of the upper areas for the same reason for the snow. So it's done all the time. And you can choose all kinds of different roofs. But that's the key of getting a good roofer in the area that understands how all the roofing materials need to mix and match. Roofing is all about details. It's not nailing down shingles. That's the easy part. Because I always tell people this when I talk about our roofer Ideal Roofing here in Houston, and that is it can't be 95% or 98% perfect. It's got to be 100% or the roof has failed. So you need someone good to meld all the pieces together.
All right, and we're happy to give you those good answers. So go to HomeShowRadio.com, click on that Ask Tom button. There you can either write to us or send pictures, kind of like Chelsea did, and that helped us do a better job. Just fill out all the information. If you're wondering where to send the pictures, it's right there where it says Pictures Help. So just go and click there, and you can put multiple pictures, too, if you want to send those in. It helps us do a better job, and we want to. That's why we post these every day at HomeShowRadio.com, our Facebook page, and, of course, the Home Show Radio YouTube channel.